The logged in user, if it has the permission, are able to share the call. When they click on the share button, a dialog appears and they can then enter in the email address of the recipient to whom they want to share the call. You can have more than one recipient by applying a semicolon between each email address. You can add a comment to the message that will be sent to the recipients, and the logged in user is able to make some choices. In other words, they'll say, well, should I allow the user to be able to see the videos or transcripts or point in time notes? And they may check these checkboxes to provide these extra options that the person they're sharing the call with may see. Please note that all these options might not be visible on your account, because they are determined by your systems administrator. So the systems administrator may enable or disable a number of these checkboxes, so you might not see them all. Once you have entered in all the prerequisite information that is required, you may then click on the share button. The recipients whose emails you have typed in here will then receive an email and a link on which they may click to go and listen to the call that you are sharing with them. Depending on the permissions, the user may also be able to email a call. Please note that when you are emailing a call, the call is in unencrypted format and will be based on the audio format that has been determined by the administrator. Inside the email, when you're sending it, you will type in the recipient's name. There's one thing that you need to be careful of, and that is if the call is too long, the chances are that that call may not be emailed. So as an example, if I'm wanting to email this call and I click on the email button, you will notice that Callcabinet will immediately inform me that the call is too large to email. If the call was not too large, then a dialog box will appear in which I can type in the email address of the recipient to whom I'm wanting to send the call. Please remember, the recipient of an email call will have a physical copy of that call, as it will be an attachment to the email.